twist this bit of twine. I hope I win the prize. The ape ate a grape. Fix the brake on that bike. Dad broke the best plate. I will wave this big black flag. I must share this bag of crisps. Black smoke came from the fire. The pink kite has a white stripe on it. I left a ball of twine on the top shelf. The man drove his truck up the lane. Bill flung the stale fish in the trash bin. Tom left the spade in the damp sand. The sun has the same shape as a ball. Thick black smoke came from the fire. The crisp I left on that plate went stale.